Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to learn about addition and subtraction of polynomials. So when we add or subtract polynomials, we basically look for the like terms. Okay, what does it mean? For example, when you are adding or subtracting two polynomial expressions, then in one expression, they are going to be the terms. Okay? In other expression, they are going to be the terms. So what we do while adding and subtracting polynomial expression, we look for the like terms in both the expressions. Okay? So once the like terms are found, then we can simply add or subtract the coefficients of the like terms. Okay? So let's find out what are like terms. Okay, so like terms means terms that have same variable and exponents Okay, so terms that have same variable and exponent. So these kind of terms are like terms. What does it mean? Okay, see here. For example, I have one term in one polynomial expression and the term is 4x, and I have another term in other polynomial expression 9x. Okay, now when you look at both these terms, I will say these terms are like terms. Why? Because they contains the same variable x. See here, they contain same variable x, and the powers of the variable same too. Okay, the power of this variable is 1, the power of this variable is 1. Okay, so same variable and same exponent means they are like terms. Okay, so if I'm adding the two expressions, then once I know that these are the like terms, then what I can do is I can group these two terms, and I will take the x common out from here, and then I will just simply add the coefficient. The coefficient of x here is 4, and the coefficient of x in this term is 9. So I will just simply add the coefficient. Okay, so the same goes in case I'm subtracting these. If I'm asked to subtract the two polynomial expressions with these terms in the expressions. Okay, so what I will do, so these are the like terms, so I will take x, I will group them, I will take x common out, I have to subtract. Okay, so I will say 4 plus minus 9, right? 4 plus minus 9, because this subtraction can be replaced by addition with, and I can put negative with the coefficient. It's the same. Okay, so 4 minus 9 would be minus 5x. Okay, I hope this thing is clear to you. Okay, so like terms means the terms that have same variables and same exponents. Okay, now I've got some problems for you. Okay, and when we add or subtract polynomials, we perform 3 steps on the polynomial expressions. Okay, so the first step says we have to arrange powers in descending order. Okay, what does it mean? For example, in this question, I have to add these two polynomials. Okay, if you look at the first polynomial expression, I can see the exponents are not arranged in the descending order. The exponents of the variable are not arranged in descending order. What does it mean? Look here, the exponent of x is 1, right? Here the exponent of x is 2 and here 0, but they are not following the descending order. Okay, here it's a perfect descending order. See here, the power of x is 3, here next term 2, next term 1, and here x 0, right? 4 times x 0, so it would be 1. Okay, but look at the powers, they are arranged in the descending order. But here I have power 1, here power 2, and then here power 0, means they don't follow the descending order. So what I will do, I will arrange this expression in a way so that the powers will follow the descending order. Okay, so can I say for this expression, okay, this expression would be 5x squared plus 2x plus 3, and I have to plus, so I will put plus sign here, and I will write this expression as it is. Okay, now I have two ways to perform the addition. Okay, I have two ways to perform this addition. Okay, so the first way is vertical way. Okay, vertical way means that I will take one expression and I will place one expression over other. Okay, for example, what does it mean? For example, I will write this expression and then I will write another expression under this expression. Okay, so it would be 9x cubed. Now see here, I don't have 9x cubed. Okay, so can I write here 0x cubed? Now see here, I did something in this expression to make this expression look like this without changing the nature of this expression. I'm not changing the nature of this expression, okay? But I did something. What I did, I just introduced the variable with exponent 3, but I put the coefficient 0, means the whole term is 0, okay? So that it gets easier for me to deal with the like terms when I perform addition or subtraction. Okay, so now look at this expression. This expression will come just under this expression. It would be 9x cubed plus 4x squared plus 3x plus 4. Okay, now you have to plus, so for plus I will use the plus sign here. Now group the like terms. Now, if you look at both these expressions, the like terms are already grouped. See here, x cubed, take the x cubed common. Okay, here, x squared. See here, x cubed common. Here, x squared common. Here, x common. These are like terms. And here, x0, because it's a constant thing, means the exponent of variable is 0. So you won't mind if I say x0, so here would be x0. Okay, so do you agree? All right, now once the like terms are grouped, then you simply have to add the coefficients. Now add this way, add the coefficients 0 plus 9, okay, then 5 plus 4, 9, then 2 plus 3, 5, and here 7. Okay, now I can simplify it more. I will say 9x cubed plus 9x squared plus 5x plus 7. Why? Because x raised to the exponent 0 is 1. 7 times 1, 7. So this is going to be the final answer. Okay, now I have another way, and we call that way connecting the like terms. Okay, connecting the like terms. Connecting the like terms. What does that mean? That means that we have to connect the like terms. Okay, so this is one expression, this is other expression. Okay, now in this method we are going to connect the like terms. Now see here, I have x squared, x raised to the exponent 2, so I will connect this term, with the term that has same variable and same exponent, right? This one 2x, I will connect it with the term that has x raised to the exponent 1. So this and this, this and this, and then 3 and 4. Why? Because they have same variable and exponent x0. Okay, so now just do the plus. Okay, now see here, 5x. Now see here, because this is x cubed, and in this expression we do not have x cubed. Okay, so one way is that, okay, you can write here 0 times x cubed. Okay, or if you don't want to write that, so just ignore it. Okay, so what it would be, it doesn't have any like term in this expression. Okay, so I will write it first, 9x cubed. Okay, then x squared, 5 plus 4, 9x squared, right? Then I will take the x common from these like terms, 2 plus 3, 5, and then x0, right? 3 plus 4, 7. Okay, so this is going to be the answer. Now if you look at both the answer, they are same, so you can do it either way. Okay, this is like the you can go for it if you have just started, but if you know how it works and you have better understanding, then you can switch to this one. Okay, but both the ways are correct. Okay, now come to the next part, subtracting polynomials. Okay, now see here, I'm using the same polynomial expressions, but here in this case I have to subtract. Okay, here I was adding, here I will subtract. Okay, so I will just simplify the first expression. I will make sure the powers must follow the descending order. Okay, so here this would be 5x squared plus 2x plus 3, okay, minus 9x cubed plus 4x squared plus 3x plus 4. Okay. Now see here, in this expression I do not have any term that contains variable raised to the exponent 3. Okay, so I can do something to make this expression look like this without losing its nature. So here would be 0x cubed plus 5x squared plus 2x plus 3 minus 9x cubed plus 4x squared plus 3x plus 4. Okay, now I have this expression, I have this expression. I can use any method. I can use vertical method, I can use connecting like terms method. Okay, so in both the methods basically we deal with the like terms. First let's do it with vertical. So alright, in vertical, 0x cubed 5x squared plus 2x plus 3, this is my first expression. I will put the second expression under this expression, 9x cubed plus 4x squared plus 3x plus 4. Okay, now see here, now I have to subtract. Okay, here I was adding. Now when I subtract, okay, when I subtract this expression from this, then what I have to do is I have to write here minus. I have to change the signs of the coefficients of this expression. What does it mean? This is plus 9, so it will be changed to minus. Okay, this here I have plus 4, so it will be minus 4. Here plus 3, it will be changed to minus 3. Here plus 4, it will be changed to minus 4. See here, this is nothing. Why? Because when you when here you have to subtract, it means you have to multiply this minus with each term of this expression. Okay, so when we have all the positive terms, so all the terms will become negative when you multiply that term with the negative. Okay, so again here group the like terms, then take the same variable with same exponent common. Here x squared, here x, here x0. Okay, so this is grouping the common terms, grouping the like terms. Okay, grouping the like terms, and here x0, x0, so that's why I'm writing here x0. Now you can subtract the coefficients. 0 minus 9 minus 9, right? Here I am writing plus because we are adding, we are just adding it because the signs have been already changed. Okay, so here 5 minus 4, 5 minus 4 is minus 1. Okay, here 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Okay, and here 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Okay, simplify it further. Minus 9x cubed minus x squared minus x minus 1. Okay, so this is going to be the final answer. Now let's do it with the other method. Okay, so now what I will do here is, can I write this expression? Can I write this expression like this? Can I make here plus and here minus 9, here minus 4, here minus 3, and here minus 4. Okay, what I did, I multiplied the minus with coefficients of all the terms, right? So here when I multiplied, then it means now I am adding them, right? So now you can connect the like terms. The like terms here, see here, x cubed, and the coefficients must be added. So here the coefficient is 0 minus 9. So 0 minus 9 minus 9 x cubed. Now the next like term is this and this. Okay, here the coefficient is plus 5, here minus 4. 5 minus 4, 5 minus 4, 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay, plus 1x squared, plus 1x squared. Okay, look here, 5 minus 4, here it should be 5 minus 4 plus 1. Plus 1 means, sorry, mistake. Okay, then like terms 2x and minus 3x. Now see here, coefficient is plus 2, here minus 3. 2 minus 3 means minus 1x. Okay, and here x0 means they are like terms too. Okay, 3 and minus 4. The coefficient is 3, here minus 4. So can I say x0 and 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Now simplify it further. Simplify it further, it would be minus 9x cubed plus x squared minus x minus 1, because x0 the value is 1. Okay, so let's compare the answer. Minus 9x cubed plus x squared minus x minus x minus 1. So this is going to be your final answer. Okay, so I hope you understand addition and subtraction of polynomials. Quite easy. You can take any questions, okay, and you can just solve, or you can just add or subtract using any of these methods. Okay, personally, if you ask me personally, I use this method. Okay, but when you have to like add or subtract like polynomials that contains like the high degrees, okay, then this method may be more effective. Why? Because the chances of making the errors get reduced. Okay, but this is when you are like more professional. This is just when you have started. Okay, if you have like a sound understanding of this, then you can switch to this one. Okay, so I hope you like this video. So thank you very much, and I will see you again in the next video. Have a great time. Bye bye.